When it comes to setting realistic time expectations for projects, it's crucial to get it right from the start to avoid unnecessary stress and setbacks. But how do you make sure your time estimates are actually realistic? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in just 3 minutes so you can hit deadlines with confidence. The first step to setting realistic time expectations is to break your project down into smaller tasks. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the big picture, but breaking the project into smaller, manageable parts makes it easier to estimate how long each step will take. Once you have these smaller tasks, it becomes much clearer where the potential bottlenecks are and how much time each task requires. Next, be sure to factor in the unknowns. Every project has them, whether it's delays, technical issues, or unexpected changes. Give yourself a buffer for these unknowns. For instance, adding 10-20% extra time to your estimate helps you stay on track, even if things go wrong. Another key part of setting realistic expectations is being honest about your own capacity and resources. If you or your team have other responsibilities, that will impact the time you can allocate to this project. Being clear on your available bandwidth can save you from setting unrealistic deadlines. Now, here's a tip that's often overlooked. Take historical data into account. Look at similar projects you've worked on in the past. How long did they actually take versus how long you estimated? This real-world insight will help you make more accurate estimates moving forward. And if you're using software to manage your projects, leverage the tools available to help you stay realistic. Many project management tools have built-in features that can analyze past data and give you better estimates. I've tried a lot of popular software and I'm recommending the one I found most helpful. If you want to follow along with the software we're using in this video, I've included an exclusive free trial link in the description below, available only to my viewers. As we wrap up, keep this key takeaway in mind. Setting realistic time expectations for your projects isn't just about planning. It's about managing what's within your control while preparing for what's beyond it. Remember to break down your tasks, add buffer time for the unexpected, be honest about available resources, and learn from past projects. With these tips, you can set yourself up for success and avoid those frustrating project delays. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we've been using to help you set these time expectations. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.